Replacing rusted scaffolding after 2 years isn't normal. You are paying twice for the exact same asset because you settled for inferior galvanization. The difference between a liability and an asset is written in the steel. Whether you need frame scaffolding or Ringlock systems, we deploy one non-negotiable stand, an average zinc coating thickness of 80 micrometers, hot dip galvanized. We build multi-year rental assets that survive brutal environments. Tight tolerance means zero hammering on site. Your workers shouldn't fight the equipment. Our precision engineering means faster assembly, zero guesswork, and drastically reduced labor costs. Time is money. We give you both back. Heavy metal means heavy freight. But we refuse to let you waste money on logistics. Our engineering runs exactly 3D loading simulations for every order. We eliminate dead space, pushing container loading rates to a solid 90. You get more steel, less empty space, and a crushed loaded cost. 80 micrometer zinc, 90 container utilization, total site dominance. Look at your yard. Are your current scaffolds rusting your profits away? Stop buying liabilities. Partner with us.